Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to use the teleprompter on the Capcut app, and I also downloaded another one on Google Play Store. I think you can find it on iOS as well, on Apple Play Store. But the only issue with the one I downloaded is the fact that it contains ads, so you have to bear with that, because someone said the teleprompter on the Capcut app is now a pro version, but it is still free on my own end. So if you have it as a free feature, you can make use of it. It is easy to use, right? So launch your Capcut app, click on expand. This is expand. Click on teleprompter. This is the teleprompter. Click on it. This is the text I added some time ago. So use this to take the text screen off your screen. Click this close button. So depending on the length of the video you want to record, this is 15 seconds, 60 seconds. You can record up to 3 minutes at a go. Did you see the multiple clips or one shot? Do you want to record it as a one shot? Like, you want to, once you pause, the side effect of this is that you will not be able to pause. Once you pause, it will stop. You have to like start a fresh one. When you play again, it will record as a fresh video. But when you choose the multiple clips, you can pause and continue your video. So it will still have it as one video. So that is it. I usually choose the multiple clips. So this is this one that looks like a desktop screen. That is the teleprompter. You can switch the camera. You can switch it to the back, but if you switch to the back, your teleprompter, using the teleprompter here will not be possible. So you can add effect. No internet connection turned off by internet service. Timer. This timer is the countdown you want to use before you start recording. Duration, do we need that? Just leave it as this 1080 pixel. So this is our teleprompter. Click on it. This icon here is to bring your text back to the beginning once you start coding, right? This icon here is like settings. So when you click on it, you can change the color of the text. You can change the font size. If you feel the font size is too big or too small, you can always change it, right? You can increase the speed. If you feel it is too slow, you can reduce it. You can leave it at 15, depending on how fast you can read. So that is it about that. Color. Choose colors you can easily read, that is readable. So that is it about setting it up. And you come here to add your text. Click on this middle to add your text. Ensure you've copied your text somewhere, or you've pasted your text somewhere already, maybe in the document or your in-app notes. Just paste it here. Go to clipboard. Let's paste this. Click on done when you are done. So once you want to start your video, you can just start. Unlock the power of 20,000 plus influential Muslim women in Nigeria and diaspora. Partner with MS 7.0 for unparalleled reach and impact. Are you ready to tap into the growing market of Muslim women driving social change, entrepreneurship, and community development? MS 7.0 is a premier event empowering Muslim women to lead with faith, purpose, and conviction. So you can pause to scroll. You can scroll up to where you want it to start, right? You can scroll up. So does it appear as if I'm reading from somewhere? So that is the beauty of this thing. You can just practice to make sure your words are well articulated. Just practice. You can go through 1, 2, or 3 times. You don't need to cram anything. Just practice it, and you're good to go. Also, I'll be sure. Okay, when you are done, you click this mark. You click this, go to edit, and 20,000 plus influential Muslim women in Nigeria. So if you want to edit it on the Capcut app, or you want to export, you can click the export if it doesn't need any editing and all of that. But if you need to edit, just click the edit and do the editing you want to do. Then you can now export. So that is about the in-app teleprompter on the Capcut app. So another one I downloaded is this elegant teleprompter. This is how the interface looks like. All scripts. There are no scripts to show because I just downloaded it. So to add your script, you can click this plus sign, create new script. So you can just paste your script, paste the script. So once you play it, it will start reading. And to allow this app to float on your screen while you are recording with your camera, right? You choose this, you click on this, If you just downloaded it, it will take you to it. To say you should give it permission to float on the screen on top of other apps, right? So you click on it, you go to your settings. Once you click it, will take you to your settings, and you just click that toggle to activate it. So once you click this, the problem with this is add. So once you click it, you can go to your camera, launch your camera, and you click on the play. Unlock the power of 20,000 plus influential Muslim women in Nigeria and diaspora. Partner with MSCon 7.0 for unparalleled reach and impact. Are you ready to tap into the growing market of Muslim women driving social change, entrepreneurship, and community development? MSCon 7.0. So you can, if you feel it is too fast, you can always increase the setting, pause it, go to the settings, and reduce the scroll speed. Reduce the speed, right? Reduce the speed. Width, you don't need to touch these ones. Fonts, you can increase the fonts as well. You can increase the font or reduce the font. Can you reduce the font or increase it? Remote settings, I don't think you don't need any of this. So that is that about using teleprompter. So when you use the teleprompter, you don't need to stress yourself cramming your script. It allows you, it coordinates your speech and improve the flow of your message. It helps your message to flow well. So that is it about using a teleprompter to, especially for those who show up with talking head videos. If you're recording talking head videos, that is when you mostly need a teleprompter, or you're just getting started with video content creation and you don't want to go through the stress of cramming. You're not used to recording on the go, so you can use a teleprompter to ease your output. So that is about teleprompter, using teleprompter. See you in my next video. Bye.